Are you tired of traditional manifestation techniques that take a long time to work? Do you want to know a powerful technique that can help you manifest your desires quickly and easily? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, I'm going to share with you a powerful manifestation technique that was developed by a spiritual teacher and author named Neville Goddard. This technique has been used by many people to manifest their dreams and desires in a short amount of time, and it can work for you too. So stay tuned to learn more. Before starting, I want to introduce the latest release from Soothing Megamind, the High Vibrations album, with tracks carefully created to soothe your mind, meditation, manifestation, and sleep with this amazing new music playlist. Simply click the link in the description below and access the playlist with just one click. Hello and welcome back to another video. Today, I have an incredible technique that you won't believe works so quickly. You might not have heard of it before, but it will change your life forever. But before we dive into the technique, make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell for more videos. So let's dive into the Neville Goddard technique that works quickly. Neville Goddard was a spiritual teacher and author who lived in the 20th century. He is known for his teachings on the power of the imagination and how it can be used to manifest our desires. Neville's technique is based on the idea that feeling is the secret to manifestation. If we can feel what it feels like to have what we want and live in that state of being, anything we desire will come to us quickly. The key to Neville's technique is finding ourselves in the feeling state of what we want. For example, if we want to manifest more money, we need to feel what it feels like to have that money. We need to feel abundant, prosperous, and confident. The more we feel those emotions, the more we will attract them into our lives. The feeling state is the most important aspect of manifestation. If we don't feel the emotions of having what we desire, we will not be able to manifest it. Our thoughts and feelings create our reality, so it's essential to focus on the emotions that we want to experience. The key to Neville's technique is feeling. Feeling is the secret to manifestation. We need to feel what it feels like to have what we want. But how do we do that when there is so much negativity around us? How do we feel abundant when we are surrounded by lack? The answer is simple. We need to relax and let go of our negative thoughts and emotions. When we relax, we feel good, abundant, and fulfilled. These positive, abundant feelings soon have to manifest in our outer world. All we need to do is be patient and consistently relax our feelings. Our abundance will appear. Let's say you want to manifest a new job. You might start by visualizing yourself in that new job. You might imagine what it feels like to be happy, fulfilled, and successful in that job. As you do this, you might notice that negative thoughts and emotions start to come up. You might start to doubt whether you can actually get that job. You might worry about the competition or whether you have the skills and experience required. When these negative thoughts and emotions come up, you need to let them go. You need to relax and focus on the positive emotions of happiness, fulfillment, and success. The more you focus on these positive emotions, the more they will become your dominant state of being. You will start to feel more confident and excited about the possibility of getting that job. And as you continue to feel these positive emotions, the universe will respond by bringing that job to you. Neville's technique is based on the idea that when we are in a relaxed state, we can easily access the feeling of what it would be like to have our desires fulfilled. Relaxation is not only important for our physical and mental health, but it is also crucial for manifesting what we want in life. When we are relaxed, our minds are more open, and we can easily access our imagination to visualize and feel our desires. The first step is to get clear about what it is that you want to manifest in your life. This could be anything from a new job, a fulfilling relationship, improved health and wellness, or financial abundance. Take some time to really think about what it is that you truly desire and what would bring you joy and fulfillment. Once you've identified what you want, it's time to start visualizing yourself already having it. Imagine yourself in the state of being that you desire, feeling all the positive emotions that come with it. See yourself happy, fulfilled, and enjoying all the benefits of your manifestation. The key here is to really tap into the emotions associated with having what you desire, as this is what will help you manifest it into your life. As you start to focus on the positive emotions associated with your manifestation, it's common for negative thoughts and emotions to crop up. This is normal, and it's important to acknowledge these thoughts and feelings. But it's also important to let them go. Take a few deep breaths and release any tension or stress in your body. This will help you let go of negative thoughts and emotions that might be holding you back from manifesting your desires. Once you've let go of negative thoughts and emotions, it's time to focus on the positive emotions and feelings associated with having what you want. Visualize yourself experiencing all the benefits of your manifestation, and let these positive feelings saturate your entire being. The more you focus on the positive emotions and feelings associated with your manifestation, the more they will become your dominant state of being. Finally, it's important to trust that the universe is responding to your positive vibrations and bringing what you want into your life. Believe in the power of your thoughts and emotions to manifest your desires, and stay open to all the wonderful opportunities and experiences that come your way. Consistency is crucial when it comes to Neville's technique. You need to practice it regularly to master it. It's easy to get distracted by negative thoughts and emotions, so you need to stay focused on the positive feelings of what you want to manifest. This might take some practice, but with time, the feeling of abundance will become your default state. You will naturally attract more positive experiences and opportunities into your life because you have learned to focus on what you want rather than what you don't want. Neville's technique is a powerful and effective manifestation tool that can help you attract your desires with ease. By following these simple steps and incorporating relaxation and positive visualization into your daily routine, you can create a life that is abundant, fulfilling, and joyful. So, if you're ready to start manifesting your desires, give Neville's technique a try. With a little bit of practice and patience, you'll soon find yourself living the life of your dreams. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.